Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox jump animation. Creating custom animations can truly enhance your game's feel and player experience. We'll go through each step, from opening Roblox Studio to seeing your character perform a unique jump. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll guide you through the animation editor, keyframes, and even how to implement your creation into your game. By the end, you'll have a fantastic custom jump animation ready to impress your players. Let's get started on making your game more dynamic. First things first, let's get everything set up in Roblox Studio. You'll want to open the animation editor, which is your primary tool for bringing your character to life. Load a character model or a dummy, as this will be the canvas for your jump. We'll then explore the timeline, where you'll place keyframes to define your character's poses at different points in time. Understanding this foundation is crucial for creating smooth and realistic movements. Take your time with this initial setup. It lays the groundwork for a successful animation. Now for the fun part, designing the actual jump movement. We'll start by posing your character in a slight crouch, preparing for the leap. This initial pose is vital for a natural-looking animation. Next, create keyframes for the upward motion, extending the character's legs and arms to convey power and height. Finally, don't forget the landing pose. A good landing makes the entire jump feel complete and polished. Remember to use the timeline to adjust the timing between your keyframes for a fluid and impactful jump. Once your jump animation is looking fantastic, it's time to bring it into your game. First, you'll export your masterpiece from the animation editor, which will give you a unique animation ID. This ID is like a special code that tells Roblox which animation to play. Then, we'll write a simple script to detect when your character jumps and trigger your custom animation. It's a straightforward process that will allow your players to experience your unique jump. Congratulations! You've just created and implemented your very own Roblox jump animation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.